Good morning, class 12. My dear student, today's topic is tangent and normal. Dear student, let there is one of the curve y equal to fx. If we draw a line touches to the curve at the point of contact P coordinate x1, y1, then this line is said to be tangent. Question is, what is the tangent? Tangent is the line which touches the curve at point of contact. P is called point of contact. Now we will find the slope of this tangent. Dear student, as you know, y equal to fx is the given curve. Then its first order derivative is dy over dx. It is f dx x. Then slope is represented by m. It is dy over dx at the point x1, y1. This x1, y1 is the point of contact. So, first order derivative at the point of contact is called slope. Slope of the tangent. Dear student, now equation of tangent. Since tangent is a line, it passes through point of contact. Therefore, it is the equation of the line passing through one point. So, there is a one point form. 1 point form. As you study in class 11, it is y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Here m equal to dy over dx at point of contact. So it is y minus y1 equal to dy over dx at the point x1, y1 and x minus x1. It is equation of tangent. Student, now normal. Normal is the line perpendicular to the tangent at point of contact. It is the line perpendicular to the tangent at point of contact. See, let there is a tangent. It is point of contact x1, y1. It is point P. Then a normal which is perpendicular to tangent. It is normal. Student, let slope of tangent is m and slope of normal is capital M. Then you know the relation between a perpendicular of two lines. It is m1, since m1 m2 equal to minus 1, therefore capital M into small m equal to minus 1. And capital M is the slope of normal. The normal. Then capital M equal to minus 1 upon dy over dx at point of contact x1 comma y1. It is the slope of the normal. Student, now equation of normal. It is again equation of the line passing through one point. So it is y minus y1 equal to capital M x minus x1. Or it is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 upon dy over dx at x1 comma y1 into x minus x1, which is required equation of normal. It is equation of the normal. We can also write y minus y1 into dy over dx at x1 comma y1 plus x minus x1 equal to 0. Cross multiply it and shifting x minus x1 to the left side. Then we will get this equation. Dear student, exercise 6.3. It is related to the tangent and normal. Question number 1. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve. Curve is y equal to 3x power 4 minus 4x at x equal to 4. So dy over dx, it is 3 into 4x cube minus 4. Then slope m equal to dy over dx at x equal to 4. Here 4 common, then it is 3 into 4 cube minus 1. Then 4 into 3 into 4 cube is 64 minus 1. It is 4 into 3 4 is 12, carry 1, 3 6 is 18 and 1 19 minus 1. And it is 4 into 1 9 1. 4 1 is 4, 4 9 is 36, 4 1 is 4 and 3 7. So it is 764. Dear student, question number 5. Find the slope of the normal to the curve. Curve is x equal to a cos cube theta and y equal to a sin cube theta at theta equal to pi by 4. Student, is a parametric, so we will find dx over d theta. It is a into 3 cos square theta into minus sin theta, and dy over d theta equal to a into 3 sin square theta into cos theta. Now dy over dx, it is 3a sin square theta into cos theta upon minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. One sin cancel, one cos cancel, 3a cancel, it is minus tan theta. Therefore, slope of tangent m equal to minus tan pi by 4, which is minus 1. Now slope of normal which is capital M equal to minus 1 upon small m, and minus 1 upon minus 1 which is equal to plus 1. So slope of normal capital M equal to plus 1.